To hard reset a Frigidaire dishwasher. Start by understanding what a hard reset does. It clears the dishwasher's memory and resets it to its default settings, which can resolve issues like error codes, stuck buttons, and faulty cycles. First, ensure the dishwasher is turned off and unplugged from the power outlet. This is a safety precaution to prevent any accidental starts or electrical shocks. Next, locate the reset button, which is usually found at the bottom of the dishwasher or behind the kick plate. It may be labeled as the reset or test button. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You may hear a clicking sound or see the lights on the display panel flash. Release the reset button and plug the dishwasher back into the power outlet. Turn it on and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, you may need to consult the user manual or contact a professional for further assistance. It is essential to note that a hard reset will erase any custom settings or preferences you have set on the dishwasher. Therefore, you may need to reprogram the dishwasher to your liking after the reset. Additionally, if your Frigidaire dishwasher has a digital display, you can try pressing the cancel and start buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds to reset it. This method may vary depending on the specific model of your dishwasher, so it is recommended to consult the user manual for model-specific instructions. By following these steps, you can hard reset your Frigidaire dishwasher and resolve common issues. Remember to always unplug the dishwasher before attempting a hard reset and to consult the user manual if you are unsure about any part of the process.